Hey lads, in this video I'm going to explain the Growth Guild. The Growth Guild is a collection of entrepreneurs just looking to make some free money. When I first started my journey, something like this was nowhere to be found. How do you make money with the Growth Guild? The Guild is what is in the name. We work together in order to make money, promoting products and businesses via organic social media, predominantly TikTok. The goal is to add a stream of income and make an extra $1,000 a week so you can reinvest that into yourself. So here are the steps outlined. You need to make a TikTok account and add the necessary assets found in your company's asset channel. You can find things like the logo, the product to market, and the region the product is available in. It is encouraged to make an Instagram account plus a YouTube Shorts alongside the TikTok so you can make even more money. Make a ticket and follow the format in the How to Gain Access channel. Then you'll be provided with an affiliate sales link where if you make a sale, you'll get a commission. I will cover these steps shortly. Post a minimum once per day on each platform, make original content, and don't use your friends' content for a better chance for you to make some money going viral. Your link may be revoked if you're not going to be consistent, as you'll be holding the entire guild back. The more people promoting each company means the easier it is for you to go viral. Once a piece of content has gone viral, it will be posted in the viral channel and you should recreate it so you can bank on the viral content as well. TikTok loves recreating viral content and it's not stealing if you add your own twist to it. This also ties in with the psychology law of familiarity. People are more likely to purchase using everyone's link as we will be everywhere. We are lowballing the minimal amount of effort that will net you an extra $800 per month. This is insane, for free. That can be 8 dropshipping products tested with no extra work from you. When you have chosen a company, then go to the support channel and post your account names in this format. You can copy and paste and replace the brackets with your accounts that you've created and have posted content. You will receive the company role and be able to start making money. You can only choose one company to market, as TikTok may shadow ban you if you have more than 3 accounts posting regularly. Once you have reached either 1,000 TikTok followers or 250 total likes, you can apply for an affiliate link by making a ticket in the support and filling out the format above. Your account should look like the ones in the model accounts, which is in every single company's category. You can see your commission for the company in the company channel, see marketing tips and angles from the company, see viral content that's gone viral previously and will continue to go viral. Have a chat with the rest of the lads about marketing and the business/product. Getting paid is easy and will be worked out with you individually. You must have done the prerequisite 1K followers or 250 likes in order to apply for a link. This separates the time wasters from the real hustlers.